SOS Services is fluid analysis business here at Caterpillar. So we are looking at oil and coolant and fuel lubricants to determine what they can tell us about the internal workings of the machine. Sampling regularly can help to extend the life of your machine, maybe past its first life into its second or third life. The point of fluid analysis is to allow you to have planned maintenance. So in other words, we don't want your machine going down in the field. We want you to know ahead of time so that you can plan to do maintenance or repairs and not affect your operation so greatly. From a coolant analysis perspective, we're really looking for, does it look bad? Does it smell bad? And is there any information within that coolant sample that can tell us that there is contamination in the cooling system? In an oil analysis sample, we are looking for wear elements. We're also looking for contaminants such as dirt, coolant, fuel, any other type of extraneous material that is not supposed to be there. From a customer's point of view, they're not going to always be able to see what's happening inside that component. In addition to the numbers that are on the report, there's a written analysis from every single sample. And that written analysis is from a certified interpreter that takes all that information and puts it into a few sentences that really guides the customer as to what the very important pieces are, the takeaways for that report. Building a history for fluid analysis is very important to understanding the normal operation of that machine and then when it becomes abnormal. So that really makes a difference. If you're routinely sampling, you're going to have a better chance of catching what's going on with your equipment.